University, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this foam roller. Now, a lot of you guys in the office are asking me how to use it, so I'm going to show you guys my typical foam roller routine that I use before every single workout that I do, whether it's jiu-jitsu, whether it's Pilates, yoga, weightlifting. I always start with my foam roller, and here's the routine that I use. So, as you guys know, I'm a spine guy, right? I'm a chiropractor, so I always start by warming up the spine on the foam roller. So you're going to lie on your back, you're going to place the foam roller under the lower back, and we're just going to roll up and down like so. All the way down from just between the shoulder blades all the way till the top of the lower back. Okay? Now you don't want to actually roll over the lower back, you just want to hit mostly the thoracic spine, so the part of the spine that's covered with the rib cage here. You can bring the arms overhead, especially if you're doing an upper body workout. That'll help with your thoracic mobility and your overhead position. And you're going to spend 30 seconds here. Okay? After we've spent 30 seconds on the upper back, we're going to get to the glute. So I'm going to sit on my left hip. Now, if you want an extra spicy foam rolling experience, you can cross your leg over like this, and you can roll over the side of the glute. Okay? Again, 30 seconds on each glute. You can keep the leg crossed, or you can keep the leg uncrossed. If you find a really sticky spot, you can just kind of sink into it, right? Sink into that area. Then we're going to switch sides. Cross the leg over, roll, and we're going to sink into that foam roller. From there, we're going to work our way down the leg. We're going to get to the hamstring. So I'm going to put my leg on the foam roller here. Hamstring is the muscle in the back of the thigh, so I'm going to just roll up and down, find a couple of different angles, just to roll the leg here, like so. I'm going to switch sides, hit the other hamstring for 30 seconds. If you want the spicy version, you can cross your leg over, foam roll up and down like so. That way you'll just get a little bit more force through the hamstring. In my case, I'm going to opt for the non-spicy version. I'm feeling a little bit sore, thanks to solid core. And I'm going to take the foam roller down to my calves. Now, calves are always tight on everybody. Everyone's got some sticky spots in their calf. So we're going to roll up and down the calf like so. Again, spicy version, leg over leg. Roll through that calf, just kind of mash through the tissue. Same thing on the other side. Smash through that calf there. Just like so. Opt for the spicier version. Okay. The next area that we're going to hit on is an area that's often super, super tight in patients. Spend all day at the clinic trying to loosen up the IT bands, right? So the IT band is on the outside of the thigh. So I'm going to lie on the foam roller like so. And I'm going to roll up and down my IT band and my lateral quad, just like this. Again, it's usually super stiff. If you want to go spicy, you put the second leg on top, roll up and down. From there, I'm going to transition right into the front of my quad. I'm just going to smash up and down the front of the quad here like this. And this is usually super, super tight on people. It's kind of that hurt so good feeling that all you guys that come to the clinic understand. And just kind of rotate your leg, try to find some sticky spots, but make sure that you're mashing all the way up and down the length of the quad. And we'll switch on over to the other side. Again, IT band, 30 seconds. We'll go with the less spicy version here. Just going to roll up and down the thigh. Then when we want to get spicy, we're going to cross the legs over one another and roll up and down. Then go to the front of the quad here, and we'll foam roll up and down the quadricep, just like this. Smashing our way up and down the leg. Okay. From there, our last area is going to be the posterior shoulder. So a lot of times with people's shoulders, they feel shoulder pain in the front, and their shoulders are rounded forward. But a big reason for this is that the back side of the shoulder is tight and it's pulling the shoulders this way. So we're going to roll on the posterior part of the shoulder just like this. So we're going to get some lat, some posterior shoulder. And we're just going to roll up and down just like so. To the other side. that's my go-to foam roller routine. So we're gonna hit all of those areas for 30 seconds on each side. And look, if one area feels particularly tight, there's nothing wrong with spending 60 seconds on the area, particularly if you're not able to get in and see a chiropractor regularly, or a soft tissue specialist, or massage. If you're not able to get some kind of body work, this is a very cheap and effective tool that can help you get body work on your own. And again, it's a great thing pre-workout, post-workout, or on an off day. It's not going to affect the quality of your workout. It's going to make sure that your tissue is healthy so that you can get a good, effective workout. So thank you guys for watching. We're going to be posting this routine as well, step by step, so that you can follow along during your workout. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.